Kahnya Utrap Youth Council HYC menangka kat kendai teruk kala lingkot kala aipor shipos ngi ya kanigrams ban jubab ya kasiti jing dawa jong kaseng ban mang kerpang prapo persen ka jing thap kam lane ban perung kam ha ka ka hospital nak mentau trai muluk ya ki kam ki bahapo jong ka group B bar group C ya kani kasiti la ai ho director ka hospital daga ba kilatho ru bakum u director udai ban pedang ya ka jing dawa jong ki lam kum ta ka seng kala berngem ban khang talano si sendon ya ka kamra trekam jong u ha ka ka hospital menta ka si ka lai phuai trek u kala lingkon ka seng kala lej ban ya kandu baru director u bala khot hi ya ki ban ya kran hanrei la yo I ba kala don ka jing bam yo song tho apreng ka seng ban u director ha ka ba kala lamru sha ka jing ya nya sipor ha ka jing ya kran bo forefront media dang hakini kindiat sngi baladap u director ka negrams u nalen meta ulang ba ka jing dawa jong ka HYC ban mang kerpang prapo persen kadai ka bom song nongrem namar kam ya hap kat kum ka reservation guidelines song sarkar pedang.
There are some allegations and statements made which are totally baseless. Not only are they unreasonable, but they are unjust. I do not have the powers to make any reservation. We are a central government hospital. We follow whatever is laid down by the constitution in terms of the percentage for reservation. They all have a very strictly laid down percentage and we cannot violate that. I cannot increase the percentage of ST or SC or OBC. That is totally illegal and I can get into very serious trouble if I play with that figure. That is constitutional. Number two, NIGRIMS does not have the capacity or the competence to conduct an examination. Earlier there were paper examinations, now they are all computer-based examinations. We do not have the infrastructure, we do not have the technical expertise. So this is outsourced on the basis of tendering. We let out a tender, people apply, whoever has the lowest L1 in the bid, they get to conduct the examination.
HYC kala kedau bakayeng persya ya ka jinglong anti-tribal but anti-local jong ka negrams hakini kindiat banai baladap namar bon ba kitrai muluk kimyo ya kalat ban rungkam ha ka ka hospital hadin balami ka rai jong ka negrams ban penyele examen tap kam ling ba ka nursing lane ka nursing officer recruitment common eligibility test na preng gini ki jingdawa ka HYC kala dawaru ba ka jing penyele examen tap kam ka dei ban long hapo jela Meghalaya Om Shabar, but they ban penyale examen hi da negrams om ban wanra da ki agency ki banabar.
Kabaningkong kadai habaydi ba katung kamnas, hajing sya kisnem ki baladep ka negrams ba katung ka khot application nam taman tung kamnas ang ni ka sya le hi da negrams. Da news nam baladep kay ka ba new director la le ulong ba upenlong ya ka ni jing tung kam nursing officer lang ba ka norset. Kabak le lang ba ki institute kum ka AIMS bat ki wei pat ki Jakarta por India ka jingle jong ni ya kani ka exam nor set ka pelong ya ki samla ki jongi ba ki nom yo lat bantung kam nurse na ki shispa khandai po shispa kat nu tilgi pos ki khana ki jongi ki bayo rung lang ba ka nor set ki dei tang khat reu hadu khat nyungut kamot ba ka penduk lat ki jongi na maka nor set ka dei ka exam ka ba hadu kata te ka dei ru ka exam ka badang thamai te ka jing dawa ka jongi na ka negrams ka long baik mdei ban pelong exam lang ba ka nor set balada ka kwa ban pelong ru dei ban ailat yangi ya ki kon samla ki jongi bakin long familiarize bat kum kini ki exam kabaar habay day ki outsourcing agency ki batray security hangni ki batray ki wigi skill unskill ni ong ba mday ban khot da ki agency ki banaba bat ki batray po jang kita agency ru ki day banday ki local kumot ba ki try muluk nang ni kabalay kabangi ni dawa kalong ba yaking ni ki group B but group C day ban thungkam prapo persen ya ki try muluk ki jongi bat kabasan kabangi dawa khmat jong ni kalong ba kini ki nurse ki bala tray hang ni apot negrams ki don ki batray lang ba ka outsource agency ki batray de ki laki sunsnam newsnam chiposnam telada uniu director khot lang ba ka norset kini ki bri ki jongi ki bala tray hang ni de ki postnam kin let cha ai tingi ngi dawa ngi om ba ka dei bandon ka one time policy ka ba ki nurse ki batray hang ni apot negrams dei ban observe no eki dei ban penrung no eki permanent hang ni apot negrams
Halor ka ne ka ju ka man ka menteri jong ka tanat ko ka khya ka kong amperin kalau ong bakal ada banra ya kan ya shadow ka Department of Health jong ka sarkar India kalau banjur bakal negrams ka dei ban pelong ya kini ki examen thap kam hapo jong ka jela.
To my knowledge, henceforth examinations that are going to be conducted should ideally be conducted within the boundaries of the home state, which is within the state of Meghalaya. We have also indicated that there are enough services service providers who will be able to conduct these examinations as per requirements of NEGRIMS, and I do not anticipate that in the next vacancy NEGRIMS will deviate from that, because we've taken it up all the way to the highest authority, which is the Department of Health, Government of India.
Ngiyo iba kilabon ki jing keno ya kate ka hospital la ka dei ha jing ai jing sumar bat kumju menta ka jing penrongkam bat ya kane ngidang la ban saki dang men hakini kendiat sngi beladap ya ka jing du no iwe samla lut ya la ka jong ka jing em hanrei nalor kini ki e baro kate ka hospital kaderu kabala ai ka jing sakri ya upai ba ka jing jella daki hajar ngut man ka sngi ki batuat ban le cha sumar kumban supen kan mau tang ke HYC ka bala pensngau ye ki jing Henry Dangshan ke HANM ru kelapan jubab halor ka jing sakri jong kane ka hospital haka jaka ban long ka slam ai jing sumar ke ka ba pelong ye kane ka jaka sumar ban pau perthei pen ban ha kini ki benta hatu ka de ka jing bam larkam ka rukom penyat ne ka duko ka rukom sakri pat ba da kanu ka rukom pitharai la ban penbet ye kini ki jing duna